Iba't ibang hugis with Tagalog-English translation. Ito ay bilog. In English is circle. Bilog, circle. Parisukat. In English is square. Parisukat, square. Tatsulok is triangle. Tatsulok, triangle. Parihaba is rectangle. Parihaba, rectangle. Biluhaba is oval. Biluhaba, oval. Diamante is diamond. Diamante, diamond. Mga bahagi ng katawan with Tagalog-English translation. Sa Tagalog ay mata. In English, eye. Eye. Tainga. In English, ears. Ears. Leeg. In English, neck. Neck. Ilong is nose. Nose. Baba is chin. Chin. Noo is forehead. Forehead. Dila is tongue. Tongue. Ngipin is teeth. Teeth. Kilay is eyebrow. Eyebrow. Buhok is hair. Hair. Daliri is fingers. Fingers. Braso is arm. Arm. Balikat is shoulders. Shoulders. Dibdib is chest. Chest. Tiyan is stomach. Stomach. Tuhod is knees. Knees. Mga daliri sa paa is toes. Toes. Takong is heel. Heel. Magkita tayo muli. Goodbye. Iba't ibang uri ng mga kulay. Tara, samahan mo ko. Kulay puti sa English ay white, tulad ng ngipin, perlas, sobre, gatas at tupa. Puti, white. Kulay itim, sa English ay black, tulad ng uwak, paniki, langaw, pusa at gulong. Itim, black. Kulay pula, sa English ay red, tulad ng mansanas, puso, strawberry, bell at crayola. Pula, red. Kulay dilaw, sa English ay yellow, tulad ng araw, mga bituin, kamison, mais at lemon. Dilaw, yellow. Kulay asul, sa English ay blue, tulad ng confetti, lobo, ulap, party hat, at apoy. Asul, blue. Kulay berde, sa English ay green, tulad ng buwaya, palaka, iguana, halaman, at caterpillar. Berde, green. Kulay kahel, sa English ay orange, tulad ng vest, bola, isda, carrots, at kalabasa. Kahel, orange. Kulay kayumanggi o tsokolate, sa English ay brown, tulad ng oso, tsokolate, itlog, mani at troso. Kayumanggi o tsokolate, brown. Kulay ginto, sa English ay golden, tulad ng mga itlog, mga ginto, korona, mga barya, at ribbon. Ginto, golden. Kulay lila, sa English ay violet, tulad ng crayola, sibuyas, talong, ube, at bag. Lila, violet. Kulay abo, sa English ay gray, tulad ng daga, elepante, pantalon, libingan, at basurahan. Abo, gray. Animal names with English translation. Kalabaw, in English, carabao, carabao. Pusa is cat, cat. Ibon is bird, bird. Aso is dog, dog. Baka is cow, cow. Leon is lion, lion. Tigre is tiger, tiger. Kabayo is horse, horse. Elepante is elephant, elephant. Unggoy is monkey, monkey. Daga is rat, rat. Kuwago is owl, owl. Tupa is sheep, sheep. Conejo is rabbit, rabbit. Camello is camel, camel. Usa is deer, deer. Buwaya is crocodile, crocodile. Manok is chicken, chicken. Baboy is pig, pig. Ahas is snake, snake. Bibe is duck, duck. Pating is shark, shark. Pagong is turtle, turtle. Ballena is whale, whale. Águila is eagle, eagle. Magkita tayo muli. Goodbye!